Constant Contact versus Mailchimp. Which email platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which email campaign is better among Constant Contact and Mailchimp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Constant Contact email campaign. Constant Contact have easy to use drag and drop editor and intuitive interface, ideal for beginners. Offers extensive customer support including phone support, live chat and email, which is beneficial for users who may need help. Includes features for managing events such as registration forms and reminders, which can be useful for businesses hosting webinars or events. Excellent tools for managing email lists, including segmentation and automation options. Seamless integration with social media platforms, allowing for broader marketing campaigns. Generally more expensive than Mailchimp, especially for larger lists and advanced features. Offers a 60-day free trial, but no ongoing free plan, which might be a drawback for small businesses or those with limited budgets. Less advanced reporting and analytics compared to Mailchimp, which may limit insights into campaign performance. Now let's come to Mailchimp email campaign. Mailchimp provides a wide range of features, including advanced segmentation, ab testing, and detailed analytics, and offers a vast selection of customizable email templates. Mailchimp integrates with numerous third party applications, including e commerce platforms, CRMs, and social media. Its reporting tools provide in depth insights into campaign performance, helping businesses make data driven decisions. The platform is scalable, making it suitable for both small businesses and large enterprises. Somehow, MailChimp's pricing can be higher, especially for larger contact lists and access to advanced features. And that features can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring more time to learn. MailChimp's customer support is tiered, with better support available only to higher tier subscribers. Choosing between Constant Contact and MailChimp depends on your business's specific needs and priorities. Constant Contact is ideal for those who value strong customer support, an easy to use interface, and event management tools. On the other hand, MailChimp is a powerful option for those who need advanced analytics, automation, and a generous free plan. Consider your budget, desired features, and level of expertise to determine which email platform aligns best with your marketing goals. That's all for this video.